So today in this video, I am going to discuss about one of the important sample papers related to International Maths Olympiad examination. Already I posted one sample paper for 6th standard. Now today in this video, I am going to post 7th class sample paper. Okay, whoever is seriously preparing for IMO examination for this academic year, that is 2024-25 academic year, and you just do subscribe my YouTube channel so that in the coming days I am going to provide you all the remaining classes also, even topic wise videos, subject wise videos, everything I am going to provide you. So as part of this International Maths Olympiad examination, you know already you are going to have 4 different sections. One is a logical reasoning section, next one is a mathematical reasoning, third one is a everyday mathematics, and the fourth one is a achiever section. Okay, so logical reasoning means it's a very good topic. From logical reasoning, we are going to focus on letter series, number series, coding, decoding, relations, directions, seating arrangement, ranking test, guessing numbers, and analogy, odd man out. We are going to focus on so many beautiful concepts in the coming days. That is the reason whoever is watching this video for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mass Marked by Prashanth sir, and do share my video for different social media platforms so that so many of your friends also can able to get the benefit from my channel. Okay, right. Now, so in this session, in the 7th class, as part of the 7th class sample paper, I am going to discuss all the questions in a very smart way. Okay, usually in competitive examinations, getting answer is not important. How we are getting answer is, that is very important. Remember once again, my dear children. So doing the getting the answer is not at all important. How you are getting the answer, how in a how smart way you are doing the answer is, that is very important. Because of that reason, you just observe here how innovatively I am going to answer some of the beautiful questions. Now without wasting time, chalo, we are going to start the questions. Children, listen carefully. Since you are 7th standard, you can able to understand my speedness. You should improve because you are preparing for competitive examinations, IMO examination. You must habituate. Chalo, question number 1. What is the first question? Find the missing figure in the given matrix. He asked to find out the missing figure in the given matrix. See, observe here, there are 3 boxes are there. There are 3 rows are there. Each box we are having some triangle followed by one arrow is there. Once observe the direction of the arrow. So here arrow is like this. So here arrow is like this. Here arrow is like this. Okay, now if you observe here like this, then like this, then like this. What I understood by saying these arrows is, every arrow is rotated with a 45 degrees. Okay, now every arrow is rotated with a, what we can say, 45 degrees, 45 degrees in clockwise direction. 45 degrees with a clockwise direction. Okay, now this time clockwise means this time, then you are going to get like this. So whichever is having diagram like that, that is only answer. Blindly we can say the answer, this one, third one. Okay, now so if you have that idea, fraction of seconds we can able to answer this. Remember, we have only, after all, 60 minutes time. We have only 1 hour time. The 1 hour time we should give the best in order to clear level 1. So you have only 60 minutes of time. You have only 60 minutes of time. That is the reason you should focus. I hope you understood. The first question answer is what we can say, my dear children. C is the answer for this question. Now observe second question. Second question is based on Bodmas rule. Second question. What is second question? Plus means divided by, minus means into, divided by means plus, and into means minus. Then he asked to find this value. First, let us try to understand this. What is second question, my dear children? 320 divided by what you are getting, 225. Sorry, divided by means you should change that symbols, no? Divided by means, according to this, divided by means plus. Then after you have, what symbol we have here? Plus symbol. So plus means you know already, simply according to this data, plus means you can take divided by. So this value is 15. Again into. So into means you can take minus 15. Finally minus means what we can take? Into we can take 85. Okay. So don't try to find this answer. If you are finding this answer, no, it will take almost 60-90 seconds it will take. Don't try to find this answer. Just it's all about your presence of mind. It's all about your presence of mind, my dear children. Please look at this solution. How smartly I am going to do. See, you know already 225 by 15 means this value, how much you are going to get? This value 15 you are going to get. Okay, 15 you are going to get. Please don't do the solution completely. I am not at all doing this solution completely. Okay, now we have plus symbol, minus symbol, into symbol. According to Bodmas rule, first multiplication, then subtraction, then then addition, then subtraction. See, if you add these two, anyhow you can add, no? If you add these two, 320 plus 15, what you are getting, children? 335 you are getting. Yes or no? Now you observe this one. Are you going to get a positive value or negative value? You are going to get a negative value obviously. And is that negative value is greater than 335 or less than 335? Obviously greater than 335. That is the reason our answer should be negative. Are you following me? I am not multiplying, my dear 7th class children. I am not multiplying, my dear children. I hope you understood. Negative symbol. That is the answer. So how many options are having negative symbol? Only one option is having negative symbol. That is the reason minus 940 is the answer for this question. So if you like this concept, please comment in that video so that I can feel somewhat happy. Nothing else. Okay. Have you understood, my dear children? So 940 is the answer. They are very simple. Small number minus big number. Big number is having negative symbol. You are going to get the negative answer. Now we are going to focus on question number 3, third question. Third question as part of the logical reasoning. What is the logical reasoning? In a certain code language, chemistry is written like this. Then you ask you to find out some beanstalk something. Okay, na? Once try to understand. In order to answer this question, first you should know alphabetical numbering. A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, and so on. Finally, Z means how much here? 26. You must know this alphabetical numbering. Then only you can able to answer all these questions. See, my dear children, just observe here. What is the given word here? Very interesting question. The given word is chemistry. The given word is what we can say? Chemistry. The given word chemistry is having total 8 letters, 9 letters. So in these 9 letters, these are the first 4 letters and these are the last 4 letters. Have you understood, my dear children? First 4 letters and last 4 letters. What is the middle letter? Middle letter is I. See, I am not disturbing the middle letter. Even in this also, I am not disturbing the middle letter. What is the middle letter here? I. I will be I only. I will be I only. So this information is enough to answer the question. Let's see. Now, what we need to do? He asked to find out a beanstalk. No, he asked to find out beanstalk. Beanstock. Okay, beanstalk. Even this word also is having total how many? So beanstock means total we are having here 4 and here also we can take 4. Middle letter must be how much here? Middle letter must be S. So whichever option is having middle letter S, that is only our answer. Okay. So after fifth letter you should find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All options are having. Unfortunately, all the options are having what we can say middle letter S only. So we can't do anything. We can't do anything that we cannot eliminate. Now what we do is we can focus on this one. Chemistry, how you wrote here? Chemistry. Focus on chemistry, my dear children. You just focus on this chemistry. See this trick, the trick what I told you know, sometimes it will work out, sometimes it will work out. Just listen, my dear children. Focus on the first half part. First half part is what you wrote here, N F, then after ID, N F I D. See, very simple. N means after M what you wrote here, N. After E what is there, F. After H what is there, I. After C what is there, D. Means for every letter one number is added. Every, or else we can say every letter is forwarded only one step, but he wrote in reverse order. My dear 7th class children, have you understood? So every letter is forwarded only one step, but he wrote in reverse order. Apply same thing for this also, even for beans also. So after N, O will come. After A, B will come. After E, F will come. After B, C will come. OBFC. Wherever OBFC is there, answer OBFC. See, here we have OBFC. And here also we have OBFC. Okay, now answer is not A, answer is not B, either C or D. Next focus on this one. After K, L is there. After C, D is there. After O, P is there. After T, next you have U is there. LDPU, LDPU, LDPU means therefore D is the answer for this question. Okay, na? The D is the answer for this question. In order to answer this question, my dear children, you must aware about somewhat alphabetical numbering. Okay, na? Alphabetical numbering. If you know this alphabetical numbering, you can able to answer this very easily. Actually, there is a trick is there to identify that alphabetical numbering. So if you want that trick, please do comment because I'll feel somewhat happy, nothing else. If you want that alphabetical what we can say, that trick, you please do comment in the comment section. I'll feel somewhat happy. So now what we finished, logical reasoning part is finished. 3 questions finished. Now we are going to focus on mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. Just to focus on this mathematical reasoning, my dear children. Now we are discussing question number 5. Mathematical reasoning, question number 5 we are discussing. Chalo, we are going to start question number 5. He asked to solve this equation. One algebraic equation given. He asked to solve this algebraic equation. So these type of questions, no, if you are doing LCM and simplifying addition subtraction, it will take lot of time. Simply better you can apply. Simply just observe here. You can apply only elimination method. So if you observe your elimination method, x minus 8 is there. It's all about your presence of mind, children. X minus 8, here 4 is there. Here also something, just observe here. So if you subtract something, that will be divided by 7. If you see, I have 2-3 clues here. I have 2-3 clues. First one is denominator 4. Okay, na? And the next one is, if you subtract 1, that must be divisible by 7. And here we have x minus 8. Based on this clue, just what I am taking is, I am just verifying with the 8th option. I am not saying 8 is the answer. Simply what we do is, you take this B option and substitute. Wherever x is there, you substitute. And what will happen here? LHS must be is equal to RHS. My dear children, have you understood now? LHS must be is equal to what we can say? RHS. Then that is only our answer. And now we'll do that one. So here 8 is there, no? 8 is there. 8 minus 8 means this term finished. 8 minus 8 means 0. 0 into something 0. This term is finished. Now here what we can take, children? 4 plus 8. You are following now what I am trying to convey. You must be active. It's not regular like school academic year mathematics. You must think something innovatively, my dear children. 4 plus 8 by 4 plus then what you are getting? 8 minus 1 by 7. 8 minus 1 by 7. Avoid writing all these. You must avoid writing all these, only mind calculation. So 12 by 4 means you are going to get 3. And 7 by 7 means you are going to get 1. So with this, what we can conclude is left side part value 4 you should get. Focus on right side part value. Right side part value is 23 minus 8. You are going to get this value 23 minus 8 times, no? Okay, you are going to get 15. So 3. 7 minus 3 means 4. Yes, very good. 7 minus 3 means what you are getting? 4 you are getting. LHS and RHS both are equal. Since LHS and RHS both are equal, since LHS and RHS both are equal, simply what we can take here? So then therefore we can take 8 is the answer for this question. 8 is the answer for this particular question. Okay, na? I hope you understood, children. Just how I chosen this option based on this divided by 4 is there. If you subtract something, that must be divisible by 4. And if you 8 minus 8 like that, it's all about your presence of mind. It's all about your presence of mind, my dear children. Okay, now one more question from mathematical reasoning. So for this you need coaching, my dear children. So definitely you need some coaching. If you have a proper coaching, no, it's not. It is very easy to clear your what we can say your level 1 IMO examination, even level 2 also. Okay, you must need a proper guidance. If you have a proper guidance, children, definitely you can able to crack. And moreover, you are going to get the very good subject. Okay, whatever you are getting in from your schools, report cards, marks, that is not at all immaterial. Okay, but these kind of examinations, if you clear these kind of examinations, no, then you are the number 1 student in the class. You are a very good student. Now we are going to focus on question number 5, children. Just observe here question number 5. I don't have sufficient space. I am writing 5th question here. I don't have space, no, I am writing here. I just observe here. See, 54%. See, children, percentage means, what does it mean? Percentage means 100. Remember, my dear children, percentage means simply what we can take? 100 we can take. Okay, percentage means 100. Means remember, for this percentage symbol we can cancel 2 zeros. For this percentage symbol we can cancel 2 zeros, children. Okay, na? Very good concept. Percentage means 2 zeros. 100, no, percentage means 100 for every 100. That is the reason for percentage you can cancel 2 zeros. For this percentage you can cancel 2 zeros. So if you are multiplying both, what you are going to get? 55 into 10 means 550 you are going to get, and that is divided by symbol. Means a ratio you can take. A divided by B means A is to B, that you know. And this is 60 into 20 means 1200. That is equal to what you are getting? K is to 2K plus 2. K is to, you are getting 2K plus 2. So here 0 and 0 cancelled. 5 11 times 2, 5 2s are 5 4s are. Therefore this is equal to what you are getting? K is to 2K plus 2. Product of extremes must be is equal to product of means. Product of extremes must be is equal to product of means. Then children, what you are going to get? 24 times of K is equal to, if you are doing so, 11 into 2, 24K plus 24 into 2 means you are getting 48. Children, the formula what I am doing is product of extremes. I am multiplying these two, and product of means. I am multiplying these two also. I am multiplying these two also. Not 48, no, I am taking 48. This is 22. If you simplify this, you bring this one, you transpose 22 left side. What will happen here? 2K. So 2K is equal to 22 means simply K is equal to what I am getting? 11. But the question is not K value, finding K value. Question is what? The sum of the digits of K. The sum of the digits of K means what is your answer? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 you are getting. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I hope you understood, my dear children. Okay, na? Right. Now I can start question number 6 now. Question number 6. So question number 6 is based on geometry and based on geometry. Now I'll do one thing, children. So you can erase, no, I can erase this part so that whenever you can want, again you can come back to a video. You can revert, no, you can again, you can what we can say, playback data, so that you can able to see this answer also, because I don't have sufficient space. I'm removing that one. I'm removing this one. If you want, you can again go back to previous time. Just observe here question number 6. Very good question. Question number 6 is based on geometry part, children. Geometry part. See, in the given figure, PQ, nicely, PQ, RSU and TU all are parallel. Since they are parallel, two lines are parallel. This is transversal line. If they are transversal line, we are going to have interior angles, exterior angles, interior alternate angles, exterior alternate angles, corresponding angles. Okay, na? Like so many models are there, no? So many different formulas are there. Okay, based on that, I can answer this question. See here, total we can see angle A we have, angle B we have, angle C we have, angle D we have. Total 4 angles. Total 4 angles. By seeing this diagram, just observe here. So this and this both are parallel. Since this and this is parallel, and this is what we can say transversal. Try to understand, my dear children. So this is parallel, this and this both are parallel. Shall I say this is the transversal line? Yes. That is the reason this angle must be equal to this angle. Okay, na? Because they are what we can say. They are simply, you can take corresponding angles. Or interior alternate angles. They are interior alternate angles. You extend this, now this is what we can say transversal. Now this angle must be equal. That is called interior alternate angles. So with this, what I conclude is C is equal to, you should get A plus B. Angle C must be is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, na? According to given question, children, already we know this value. C value how much? 75. C value 75 degrees. We don't know A value. A value he said in terms of A. Okay, we can find A value, no? A is equal to how much we have? 2/5 of C. A means 2/5 of C. So 5 ones are 5 5s are. Therefore, A is equal to what you are getting? A is equal to, you are getting 30 degrees. A is equal to 30 degrees. So if you put A is equal to 30 degrees here, then B is equal to what you are getting? B is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, A is equal to 30, B is equal to 45. Then CD also will see. C you can find anyhow. C already there, no? Okay, no issue. C already there. Now we'll focus on D, because he asked to find B plus D by 2. Now D, how you are going to get this D? Shall I say B and D? Sum of B and D is equal to 180? Yes, because both are same side of the transversal line. That too, both are interior angles. Therefore, B plus D is equal to 180 you should get. Now already we know B value. B value how much, children? 45. If B value is 45, D value must be 135. So now you have D value and we have, see, now we have D value, even we have B value also. He asked to find what? B plus D by 2. He asked to find B plus D by 2, children. D means what we can take? 45. D means what we can take? 135 by 2. What is half of 135? I think you are going to get this one. 45 plus 2 6 times, 2 7 times. 67.5. So 60 plus 40 means 100. You are getting 112.5. Yes or no? Not 112. Is it 112? 60 by yes, 112, 122.5 means 112.5. 112.5 means answer C. Answer C is the answer for this question. Diagram seems to be something different, but okay, na, if you think somewhat logically, you can able to answer this question very easily. Now this one. Okay, with this what we can say mathematical reasoning part also finished. Now we are going to focus on what we can say everyday mathematics. Everyday mathematics, my dear children. What is everyday mathematics? Seventh question. Garima and Mohit deposited 3,000 and 4,000. 3,000 and 4,000 in a company at the rate of 10% per annum. Means Garima deposited 3,000 and what we can say Mohit deposited 4,000. Mohit deposited what we can say 4,000 in a company at the rate of what we can say 10% per annum. Okay, na 10%. Okay, 10% per annum. Then what you can say, children? So he asked to find out what, but the time is not same. Just observe here, very good thing. Time is not same. Is it time same? No. Garima deposited for 3 years. So whereas second fellow is what? Mohit for only 2.5 years. See, until unless he mentioned this question, we should consider it as simple interest. Okay, na? Especially if he mentioned, we'll take compound interest. But the question is regarding what we can say simple interest. Now answer for this question. So first we focus on only Garima. Garima, I'm focusing on only you. Garima, I'm focusing on only you. Garima. Garima amount is how much? 3,000. At what percent? 10%. For how many years? 3 years. First year 10%, second year 10%, third year 10%, altogether 30%. Now we are going to find out 3000, 30 percentage value of 3000 we are finding, children. 30 percentage value of 3000, you are going to get 900. Very good. Now we are going to focus on what is the next one. Next one is who is Mohita. Okay, na Mohita. Now I am focusing on you. 4000 again 10 percentage, that is for only 2.5 years. Okay, na. Now children, what we can take here simply 2.5 years means here on 4000. On 4000 we'll try to find out 22 1 or 22 25 percentage value. Why 25 percentage value? First year 10 percentage, second year 10 percentage, but whereas for 1.5 year, no, for half year 5 percentage, half year 5 percentage. Okay, two zeros cancel, this is equal 1000. Amount received by what you can say, interest received by Mohit is 1000 rupees, interest received by Garima is 900. Then he asked to find out difference. Difference is how many rupees? 100 rupees is the difference. 100 rupees is the difference. I hope you understood, my dear children. Now we are going to focus on 8th question. Question number 8, which is last question in everyday mathematics. What it is, at Simla, the temperature was minus 7 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. You take the number line. You take the number line. Somewhere you write Tuesday. On Tuesday, temperature is how much? Minus 7 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Then it is dipped by 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degree Celsius on Wednesday. On Wednesday, came down to how much here? 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degree means reduced. Reduced means you are going to get a minus 10 degrees centigrade. Minus 10 degrees centigrade on Wednesday. On Thursday, rose by 6 plus 6 degrees centigrade. See, for adding 6 to 10. If you are adding 6 to 10, then what you are going to get? Minus 4 you are going to get. No, minus 4 you are going to get. Then question is what? Wednesday and Thursday temperatures. Wednesday and Thursday temperatures. So simply what we can take, children. Wednesday temperature is 10, minus 10 degrees centigrade, and Thursday temperature is minus 4 degrees centigrade. It's all about small thing. See, if you think in this way, in this much speed, then only you can able to crack that level 1 examination, children. Don't worry. If you have a proper guidance, you can achieve. Don't worry. So with this, everyday mathematics is finished. Now we are going to focus on achiever section. Now question number 9. We are going to focus on question number 9. The ratio of the, see, by you don't read all these. If you see it, if you read, no, it will take waste of time. Pi value 22 by 7, you know. Inner circle is there, outer circle is there. Difference between the radii is 5 meters. Just try to read roughly. The ratio of outer and inner circumference. The ratio of the outer and inner circumference of a circular path is in the figure is 26 and 25. 26 and what we can say 25. See, you know already circumference. Circumference is what we can take 2 pi r, no? 2 pi r. 2 pi cancel. Indirectly, circumference is ratio. Circumference ratio is nothing but what we can say ratio between the radii. Circumference ratio is nothing but ratio between their radii. Remember that. Means now what we can take, big circle, small circle, radius is nothing but 26 and 25. What is the difference between their radii? One part. One part difference equal to how many meters according to this given diagram? 1 meter. Then question is what? There are two different questions. The area enclosed by the path. Okay, now one thing is area enclosed by the path. Second one is diameter of inner circle. He asked to find out what we can say diameter of inner circle. You know, this is inner radius, this is diameter of. This is what we can take diameter of inner circle. Very simple. So that is one part is equal to 5 meters means you can take 25 parts. 25 5 what you are getting? 125. 125 meters is the radius of inner circle. But diameter means double, no? Double means 250. Okay, no? First. How many options are having 250 meters? Only one option. If you don't try, if you see, if you are focusing on this first option, no, it will take lot of time because all the options are having decimal points. Decimal points will be obtained by multiplying again that if you do somewhat big calculation, you will get all these. But if you focus on the second question, no, you will get somewhat easily. Like that, you should think in exam. My dear children, have you understood? My dear 7th class children, I hope you understood my way of teaching. Okay, your what we can say, your comment, your feedback is very important. How I am teaching, whether speedily or slowly, according to I can frame the according to I can upload the remaining videos, next class videos also. Right, now we are going to focus on 10th question, which is last question in this official sample paper. Read the given statements carefully, and there are 4 options. Okay, na 1, 2, 2 true, both are false, something it is there. Now statement 1 is there and statement 2 is there. Focus on statement number 1. The four quantities A, B, C, D are such that in the ratio of A is to B is equal to C is to D. See, A is to B must be is equal to what we can say? C is to D. Remember children, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we can take product of extremes equal to product of means we can take AD is equal to BC. Means AD is equal to BC we can take. Okay, now BC is equal to CD, then we say that first one is wrong. First one is what? AD is equal to BC we can take, but not AC is equal to BD. That is wrong. First one is wrong. But what about second one? First one is wrong means both are true. This option fails. And this also fails. Answer is third option or fourth option, we'll see. And now A is to B given, B is to C given. He asked to find out A is to B is to C. See, I can able to find this by using reverse n method. A is to B how much? 5 is to 9. A is to B 5 is to 9. And what about B is to C? B is to C is 4 is to 7. 4 is to 7. Okay, na? First one is what? A is to B. Second one is what? B is to C. He asked to find out what? A is to B is to C. Children, this method is called reverse n method. The method what I am applying is that method is called reverse n method. You multiply the numbers like this. 5 into 4, 20. 4 into 9, 36. 9 into 7, 63. 20, 60, 20, 36, 63. 20, 36, 63. Yes, second one is true only. Means statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Therefore, third option is the answer for this question. Third answer is option for this question. Children, have you understood? Have you understood? These are the some of the sample questions we discussed from 4 sections of your 7th class International Maths Olympiad examination for this academic year. Okay, I hope you enjoyed these questions. I taught somewhat speedily because you must catch. We are preparing for competitive examination, children. Remember, okay, na? For any other, if you have any other doubt, no, you can WhatsApp your all your queries. You can WhatsApp your questions. You can able to, if you have any doubt regarding this IMO examination, no, all any other section. So you can WhatsApp any questions or whatever. I am going to clarify all your doubts. I will be available on this number 9866236327. You can call. If anybody watching outside the India, if anybody watching this video outside the India, you know already India code is I'm teaching this from India, so +91. You can add this country code +91. Okay, 9866236327. So thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please do